Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Today we learn the definitions of unit number 3. The name of unit number 3 is fraction. First of all, what is fraction? A fraction is a part or portion of a whole. It has two parts. For example, 2 over 7. 2 number of a part we have. Number of equal parts a whole is divided into. Look at this diagram. The total 7 parts is called the denominator, and the two colored parts is called the numerator. The top number in the fraction shows how many parts we have is called the numerator. Again, look at this diagram. The colored part, total colored parts is called the numerator. Denominator, the bottom number in the fraction shows how many equal parts we have is called denominator. The total parts of the given diagram is called the denominator. Proper fraction. When the numerator of each fraction is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 1 over 4. The numerator is less than the denominator. This is called proper fraction. Next one is improper fraction. When the numerator of each fraction is equal to or greater than its denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 4 over 4. The numerator and denominator is same. Next one, the numerator is greater than the denominator. This is called improper fraction. Equivalent fraction. When we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number, not 0, we get an equivalent fraction. For example, 1 over 3 multiplied by 2 over 2. Fraction, numerator and denominator multiplied by same number. The given answer is called the equivalent fraction. 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 3 multiplied by same number. The given answer is called equivalent fraction. Next one, quarter. When a group or an object is divided into quarter, it has 4 equal parts. For example, 1 over 4. Look at this diagram. We divide a circle into 4 equal parts. It is called quarter. Next one is half. When a group or an object is divided into half, it has 2 equal parts. For example, 1 over 2. Next, we divide the circle into half into 2 equal parts. Next one is 3 quarter. When a group or an object is divided into 3 quarters, it has 3 equal parts. For example, 3 over 4. Look at this diagram. We divide our circle into 3 equal parts. The next one is set. A collection in maths is called a set. Set as well as shapes can be divided into fraction. For example, the set of birds, the set of glasses, the set of cricket team, this is called a set. Unit fraction. A fraction with the numerator 1 is known as a unit fraction. For example, 1 over 3, 1 over 9, 1 over 6. The numerator is 1 in all fractions. Ordering of fraction. Ascending order means arranging fraction from the smallest to the greatest. Starting the ordering from small digit, small to greatest. Descending order means arranging fractions from the greatest to the smallest. Start the arranging fraction from greatest to smallest. Okay beta, best of luck. Learn and write all the definitions on your notebook. Allah Hafiz.